Begin standing at the front of your mat, taking a moment to center yourself. Shifting the weight on your feet until you feel that it is evenly distributed. Relax your shoulders, fingers soft, chin slightly tucked in, top of your head reaching straight up to the ceiling. We will move through a modified Sun Salutation. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward, knees bent. Inhale, look up, fill your chest. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. And exhale, step your right foot back, then your left, coming into a plank position. Knees on or off the mat. Hold here for one breath. Inhale and exhale. On your next exhale, lower down to the mat. Inhale, palms under shoulders, press up, cobra pose. Exhale, come down to the mat. Inhale, roll up, cobra pose. Exhale, down. One more time, inhale up. And now exhale to child's pose. Breathe here. Feel your entire body awakening with sensation. Inhale, come onto all fours, and then slowly walk up to a forward fold position at the top of your mat. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach your arms up, look up. And exhale, palms to heart center. Inhale and exhale. Second round, a little faster now. Inhale, arms up, look up. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step back, plank pose, one breath. Exhale, lower down. Inhale, cobra pose. Exhale, child's pose. 5 breaths here. In and out. As your mind wanders, slowly bring yourself back to your breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come onto all fours. Walk to your forward fold. Exhale here. Inhale, reach up, look up. And exhale, palms to heart. Inhale, look up. And exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step back. Plank pose, one breath. Exhale, lower all the way or halfway down. Inhale, upward dog or cobra pose. Exhale, downward dog or child's pose. Breathe. Come to child's pose at any time if you need to. Inhale, step to the top of your mat. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up, look up. And exhale, palms to heart center. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step back, plank pose. Inhale here. Exhale, lower down all the way or halfway. Inhale, cobra or upward dog. Exhale, downward dog or child's pose. Breathe with softness. Breathe with gentleness. Inhale, step forward. Exhale, fold. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, step back, downward dog. Inhale, come onto your knees. And exhale, sweep your legs around, coming to a cross-legged position. Observing the quality of your breath, bringing yourself back into the present moment. By turning your attention to your breathing, you will naturally cause your breathing to become more peaceful. Taking a few deep breaths together. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's move into our rest pose, Savasana. Tune into what your body needs today. Keep yourself warm. Keep yourself supported. Give yourself a big stretch, arms overhead, squeezing all the muscles in the body. And then release. Let go. Let go. Allow your breathing to return to its natural state. Relax your fingers. Relax your toes. Relax your belly, your forehead. Soften the eyes. begin to introduce small movements into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes, rub your palms together, stretch your arms overhead. Deepen your breathing. In your own time and in your own way, slowly come back to a seated position. We will end our practice here, hands to the heart.